Bismillah ar-Rahman rahim. The next one after group is after subtotal is discount. So discount is also missing. What is the purpose of discount? Discount is basically, of course, trade discount. If we want to offer discount at the time of selling the product, so we have to use from what? From discount, right? So just give a name for this one. For example, let us say the name is discount. Let us say if already there is a discount, let us call it discount 1, right? Amount do not give any percentage, or yeah, it can be, it is like other charge. It can be amount as well as it can be percentage. Let us say, for example, we want to offer 10% discount. If you want to offer 10% discount, so you have to take it 10%, right? And the amount account, for example, account should be recorded on Y. Let us say, for example, I want to link it with the sales discount. And the next thing is that it should be taxable or non-taxable. Always it should be, of course, taxable. Why it should be taxable? See, if you take a tax, discount applied before sales tax. If this is so, if you take a taxable, that you have to take a taxable. If this is so, for example, the price of the product is 3,000. You want to offer, for example, 300 at discount. So 3,000 minus 300, it becomes 2,700. So tax will be charged on 2,700, which is the real case and the reality. Why? Not on the 3,000, because you did not sell the product for 3,000. Actual price was 3,000, but you sold it. You have given 300 discount, so it was through 2,700. So tax will be charged on 2,700. But if mistakenly you take it non-taxable, discount is applied after sales tax. In this case, so whatever is the price of the product, tax will be charged on that one, even before calculating the sales tax. For example, 3,000 was the amount of 3,000 was the price of the product. Although you have given a discount of 300, but tax will be charged on 3,000, right? So there's a mistake that you have to pay more tax for the government. Please do not select this one as non-taxable. Always take it as what? Taxable. Let us say discount is 10%. Save it. How to test it? Go for the customer. Go for the create invoice. Select a particular customer, for example, Mariam, like this one. Select the item, for example, let us say book. Let us say, for example, 100 book, right? The price of each one of this one total become equal to how much? 3,000. So 10% tax is charged and the total amount is 33,000. Now let us say we want to give a discount of few percentage discount. So already there is a discount, no discount, discount 1, right? How many percentage discount we offer? We offer 10% discount, right? So see, the price was equal to 30,000. 3,000 is offered as a discount. So 30,000 minus 3,000 become 2,000. Let us reduce the number of this one in order to decrease it. Now it is fine. 3,000 was the price. 300 is offered as a discount. So if 3,000 minus 300 become 2,700. So tax is charged, 10% tax is charged on 2,700. How much tax is charged? 270, right? So tax will be charged after discount. But if unfortunately, for example, you take this one as non-taxable, take it non-taxable. Now tax is charged on how much? On 3,000 only, right? Then you have to pay 3,000 for the government. Tax is charged on 3,000, which is 300. But of course, always you have to take it non-taxable. Now, how much you have to pay? Only 2,700. If this invoice is, for example, for thousands and millions, on that case, you have to pay extra tax to the sales tax to the government, which even it is not collected from the customers, right? Now you have the total value of the invoice is equal to how much? 2,970, right? So in this way, you can attest the purpose of discount, right? So you can fill up rest of the things and you have to save it. So this was the purpose of what? The purpose of discount. So save and otherwise, for example, you can take discount in the form of amount as well, right? See, let us create one more discount, right? One more discount, for example, discount. Let us say, for example, this time it is 5% discount. How many percentage discount? 5%. This 5% discount. And of course, this 5 should be mentioned here itself. If it is not mentioned here, it cannot be accepted. Mention 5% discount. You have to select it here. And of course, the discount, take the discount account, taxable once again. Save and close this one. Let us do one thing more. Go for the customer, create invoice, right? Select the item. Suppose battery, 10 battery. Suppose, for example, we can say printer, 10 printer as well. We want to offer 10% discount on the above items, but not on the following items. If this is so, first of all, find out the subtotal of this one. First of all, find out the subtotal and then offer a discount of how many percentage? Discount of 10%, for example, on this one. But on the following items, on the remaining items, for example, like we can say service, 10 of the service, for example. On, for example, we can say on a screen, suppose 20 of a screen. On these items, we want to offer only 5% discount. If this is so, first of all, select the subtotal and then select, for example, whatever percentage of discount you want to offer. Suppose 5% discount. See, on the above items, 100, total was 1500, 150 is offered as well as discount. But on the following items, so total was 800, or 800, 5% 40 offered as well as discount, right? So you have to select the sales tax. Which type of sales tax? 10% sales tax. So now you can save and close. This was the purpose of discount.